Broadly, there are two different approaches to measuring personality. The first is to use objective tests. We've talked about the 16PF and the NEO-PI, which measures the Big Five. There's also the MMPI, the Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory. The MMPI is a little bit different to the Big Five. Like the NEO-PI, it's a questionnaire-based measure of personality. Again, it's got a large number of items, but the MMPI is designed for a clinical setting. The items were actually developed with patients in a secure mental health facility, so people who had serious clinical issues and were locked up. And it's often useful for diagnosing psychological disorders. The problem is, though, people who you're likely to be using it with may wish to deceive you, so they present themselves more positively than they actually are. The test is designed to try and detect deception and also social desirability bias, but people can still influence the scores on it. The other problem is that it doesn't include some of the things that the NEO-PI measures include. So researchers often prefer to use something like the NEO-PI if they're interested in things like neuroticism, openness and extroversion, which a lot of research focuses on. So different tests are used in different settings depending on what the purpose is. The other set of tests are the projective tests. The Thematic Apperception test is a projective test. Now, what people do with this test is they present an ambiguous stimuli and they ask people to describe what's going on in the image. Take a look at the following image and see if you can describe what is happening.